Yo! Is this Connie and Shona Ferguson's home? We have literally been experiencing heart palpitations ever since Connie Ferguson shared a video of her hubby, Shona, riding into what seems like the driveway to their mansion. The 30-second video shows Shona cruising into the driveway, which seems big enough to fit an entire complex. In the caption of the video, Connie gushed over how hot her man is, and how Vin Diesel has nothing on him. And, while there is no denying that Shona does have game, can we just talk about these massive walls and gigantic yard, which seems to be the Fergusons' fancy crib? Within a few minutes after Connie shared the video, the comments section was lit and it was viewed over 100,000 times. Here are two other times that the Fergusons' home had us gasping. Shona shared this video of his daughter playing the piano, but look at this double-sided spiral staircase. Then there was this time that Connie and Shona's daughter shared pictures of the views from their crib,